How to turn off Face ID for apps on iPhone. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how to turn off Face ID for apps on iPhone. So let's dive in. First, you have to go to your settings on your iPhone, and then you have to scroll down until you find this option that says Face ID and passcode. Click this option. And now you have to enter your passcode so you can access the page. And once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page, and now you can see use Face ID for, and then you have this option other apps. Click this option. And here you will find all the apps that require your Face ID, and you can just turn off Face ID for apps on your iPhone by toggling these green buttons off simply by clicking them. For example, let's go with this Wise account. I'm going to just click this green button and it's going to turn gray, and I have turned off Face ID for this app on my iPhone. And that's the process that you can follow to turn off Face ID for apps on iPhone. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.